My name is William Graham, and I am a licensed master barber and educator.
My name is Brian Henderson. I'm a barber instructor and also a barber.
A few of the things that I have noticed since being in the profession is, one, the art of cutting hair has gone to the next level. A lot of the barbers now are getting into hair art and hair designing. Because of the growth in area, because of the Raleigh-Durham area, North Carolina becoming one of the #1 places to live, you find more people relocating here. So what has happened, there has been a lot of hair cuttery chains moving to the area as well to hire barbers, looking to hire barbers, and also it gives opportunities for barbers to start their own businesses as well.
I was in the barbering field. I recently moved back. When I started the program, I recently moved back to Raleigh, and in the barbering field, it takes a while to build up your clientele list. It takes a little while, and I was at a point where I needed income and I needed something stable. And so I came through Wake Tech for the program to help me get my certification. I went through the North Carolina State Board Barber Board Examiners, training and structural course. I went online and I researched the information myself, and I found that Wake Tech offered the program, and I went about signing up for it.
What's detailed into the training is actually you will learn anywhere from not only just cutting hair, but also styling hair, also being familiar with using different chemical texture services as well, and also customer service, and also how to start your own business as well. Because of the quality training that Wake Tech offered their students, whenever I'm looking for a barber, I will definitely contact Wake Tech first, and also when I have any other peers that is looking for a student, I recommend Wake Tech as well.
No sooner than I finished the program, I had already had individuals that worked for the barber college that I currently work at, and they were just waiting for me to finish my certification from Wake Tech. The training that you get in the classroom is the same training that you're going to use in the workforce.
After being in the industry this long, I still learn something new, from tools to equipments to products, and different styles and techniques are constantly changing, so you can never stop learning. Going
through Wake Tech, the training procedures that they take you through for an instructor to pass the North Carolina State Board are above and beyond. So if this is something that you're looking to do, the credentials and the certification are out there, but you have to choose the right place to go to. And Wake Tech is that place.